Hello pupils, welcome to our math class. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss triangles according to sides and angles. For today's objective, you will be able to identify and describe triangles according to sides and angles. Polygons are everywhere in our surroundings. There are different sizes, shapes, and sides. Examples of polygons are triangles. We know that a three-sided polygon is a triangle. This week, we are going to identify and describe triangles according to sides and angles. Triangles as a polygon with three sides can be identified according to their sides. We can name them as equilateral triangle, which is a triangle having all sides equal. An isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. And scalene triangle which has three unequal sides. We can also identify triangles based on their angles. An acute triangle with all angles measuring less than 90 degrees. As you can see in this illustration, all angles given are less than 90 degrees. Next is an obtuse triangle with one angle that is greater than 90 degrees and two angles that are less than 90 degrees. As you can see in the illustration, angle B measures 110 degrees, which is greater than 90 degrees, and the rest angles are less than 90 degrees. Last is the right triangle, with one of the angles measuring 90 degrees, while the other two angles are less than 90. According to what we discussed earlier in our lesson, can you now identify each triangle according to its sides and angles? Let's answer the following learning tasks. So for the learning task 1, identify the following. Encircle the triangle that has a right angle, box the one with acute angle, and draw a line under the figure if it is an obtuse angle. So I will give you 30 seconds to finish your learning task. So timer starts now. Okay, so time's up. So let's see if your answers are correct. So which of the following is a right triangle? So you will encircle the triangle that is right. Okay, so that is number 2. How about acute triangle? So box the one with acute angle. Okay, so that is number 1. And last, draw a line under the figure if it is an obtuse angle. So that is number 3. Okay, so for the learning task 2, identify each triangle according to its sides. Write equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, or scalene triangle. Write your answers on the blanks provided before each number. So I will give you 2 minutes to answer this learning task. Timer starts now. Last 5 seconds. Okay, so time's up. So let us answer learning task 2. So what kind of triangle is number 1? So remember, you will write equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. So number 1 is a equilateral because all sides of it are equal. How about number 2? So that is an isosceles triangle. Number 3 is a scalene triangle. Number 4 is a scalene triangle, and number 5 is a isosceles triangle. Okay, for the rest of the learning task, please refer to the copy of the learner's packet provided to you by your teacher. Don't forget to fill in your reflection for today's lesson. And that ends our lesson for this day. I hope you learned a lot about triangles. Keep smiling and see you on our next video. Thank you.